Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing good in your life. So in this video I'm going to be telling you about how I actually cracked a job of data analysis with just 2 months of preparation, and how I actually learned all of the topics that are involved in data analysis in a shorter period of time, such as 2 months. So I took 2 months to land a job of data analyst and prepare all of the topics as well. So this is my story. So firstly, I started with SQL, that is structured query language. So I learned it from YouTube. I learned all of the topics from Edureka. So that was pretty much sufficient for me. Then I practiced SQL online. Firstly, I practiced it on W3 schools. Then I had a account on hacker rank as well, so I tried all of the questions that are available on hacker rank. So that was pretty much sufficient for me to learn these skills. Then I have gone for Excel. I already knew Excel, but then I wanted to learn all of its advanced functionalities, such as pivot table, conditional formattings, and VBA macros. So I learned all of these from YouTube only. Then I learned Power BI. It was optional whether to learn Tableau or Power BI. I already knew Tableau, but I have learned Power BI. So Power BI is open source; anyone can learn it. So that is the reason I learned that tool. And I already had experience of Adobe Analytics, so you can try any other analytic tool if you want to learn. So I will suggest you to go for Google Analytics course that is free from IBM, so you can completely check that out. So these are the skills, basic skills that you can go for before appearing for any interview of data analysis. So that much you can learn. Then what you can do is start applying on Naukri. I preferred Naukri because on LinkedIn I rarely got any call. So I have applied. I used to apply like 50 to 60 applies every single day. Then that time as well I didn't get a call, but after like a month or so of applying continuously, I started getting calls on from Naukri. So you can try this thing. Like if you are doing a job search, you should start applying like a month prior, because it's very hard to get a call from these websites. So I got a call, then I appeared for several interviews. Then one company selected me. Like I am serving a notice period on my current company, but I am looking for other options as well. I also have an experience of like Salesforce development, so if I get a job on that for that role as well, so I'll go for it. But this video is about data analysis. So yeah, this is like how I prepared it, and you can also completely go for this thing, because data is like nowadays data is very important part of any organization, and maintaining such data and keeping a track of good track of it is like required by every single industry for their business benefits. So you can completely go for these things. And yeah, so all the best for your journey. I'm sure you'll get a high paying job with this technique that I've mentioned. And stay focused, stay blessed. So this was it for this video. I hope you are taking good care of your health, because health is the most important thing. Rest are just okay. Thank you. Bye bye.